What's up guys, this is my first video on this camera, so the video is gonna be much more professional, and I'm here with my friend Mark. Hey. And we're filming a cooking video. We're gonna make some sushi today. We're gonna make a lot of different types of sushi with all these ingredients: so salmon, cream cheese, avocados, cucumber, seaweed, rice, vinegar, mayo, chili sauce. The thing for the sushi, I mean, like, we have to use it, and of course the shrimps, and yeah, the rice. I fucking forgot about rice. So yeah, we're just gonna start to film this video, and hope you enjoy the video. So we're gonna put 2 cups of rice. 2 cups of rice is equivalent to like 6 rolls of sushi. But if you want less, then like you can just put 1 cup, which will be enough for like 2-3 rolls, I reckon. And after this, you have to clean the rice 3 times, right? We're gonna clean it in cold water. After you wash the rice, put 2 and a bit more than 2. Wait, hold up, I'm gonna show you. So 2 cups, and then just a bit more, like 1/3, right? 1/3, and yeah, then just cook it for half an hour, and then your rice is done. And in the meantime, you can prepare everything for the sushi. When you finish the rice, when the rice is cooked, put it in a bowl. And then mix it with vinegar. I don't know how much, but this amount probably. And then just stir it lightly. Don't like bash it. And then let it cool off until it's like lukewarm or a bit cold. Take the nori, the seaweed, and first cut it the amount that you want to, like how big the sushi you want to make. Then put the cucumber next to it, cut the ends where the nori like finishes, cut the ends, and then the rest of the cucumber, cut it in 3 or 4 parts. This is the end result. It should look like this, so a lot of small pieces, and then you should make them seedless. So just remove the seeds like that. For the avocado, you just cut the end, remove the seed, and afterwards you cut it, and it's ready for the sushi. So now it's my time to roll the sushi. Let's see, what the fuck do I make? Okay. Am I doing this correctly?
Not really.
Shit, okay. Fuck. How the fuck should I do it? So now Mark has done all the sushis, but now I'm gonna make a small maki with avocado and sesame. So let's get into that. look at me. I'm the sushi master. I'm the fucking sushi master. Naruto will be proud, even though he doesn't eat. Even though he doesn't eat sushi, it's ramen. Very good. I'll give my sushi. I'll give this sushi like a 10 out of 10. It's like 10 times better than the Mark's. Obviously, I mean, like, look at this. Like, it's almost falling apart, but like, you know, it's food. You know, 10 out of 10. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Down below there's a link to Mark's channel. He makes really good videos. He's a beginner, so please show him some love. Subscribe to him, like and comment his videos, because he really likes cooking as well as I do. And I hope you continue on your path of making cooking videos, Mark. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, like and subscribe to my channel to support the content, to support the movement. Which movement? I don't know which movement. Just subscribe, okay? Just subscribe. So yeah, I'm gonna see you very soon.